Welcome everyone. In today's video, I wanted to help potentially save you a little bit of money. So if you're a Solana user, basically every action that you take creates an account. So whenever you create these accounts, a little bit of rent is taken out of your wallet, and that's in the form of 0.02 Sol. The current price of Solana is $55, so 0.02 Sol is about $1 that is taken from your wallet every single time that you want to trade a new token, NFT, or even just get random NFTs sent to you. So this can be quite annoying, and if you've been around a while, you've probably got a ton of these empty accounts lying around that you could gladly get rid of and then reclaim some Sol. So if I go to my wallet here, go down to NFTs and press hidden collections, I've just got some random NFTs sent to me that I just don't want anymore. I mean, I'll keep this Drift Alpha ticket, but the rest of them, you know, it's just nonsense that's been sent to my account, mostly scams. And what you can do is you can click on them, click these little dots up here, and then press burn tokens. Once you've done that, look, I get a rebate, 0.002 Sol. Cool. And then we'll burn these tokens because I don't want them anymore, and I can get my Sol back, so that's another $1. Let me just see if I can do this with any of the other ones. So this ape shoebox, we'll burn this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Getting some more money back. Perfect. All right, let's see what else we can burn. This one here. I've never interacted with Steppen in my life, so I don't know why this has been sent to me. Burn. All right, so this is like the first part of the video. So you could do that manually through your Phantom wallet, but let's just say you've had a ton of NFTs sent your way, and that might just take you a while. So you can go to solincinerator.com and just do it here. Press select all, confirm burns, you know, sign a couple transactions, and it's just as easy as that. They'll take a small fee for doing so, but it's really not that much when you actually think about it. It's like 0.00004, which is like a cent or something like that. And so that was just NFTs that I showed you. Every time you want to trade a new token, a new account is opened up. So this Avalanche Allbridge and UXD stablecoin, let's burn these. I get 0.04 Sol back, I think. Yeah, there we go. Confirm. Awesome. Now if I go to clean up here, we also have some vacant accounts and serum accounts. So let's just read what this does. NFTs require a token account to store in it. Whenever you list or transfer this NFT, this account is left vacant. However, this empty account can be closed to return a small storage fee of Solana. The same applies when performing a token swap on an exchange. You may create a serum account to store some swap related data. Again, this can be closed once the swap has finished to reclaim some Solana. So I can do this and then confirm the burning, and I can also do this for my serum accounts. Alternatively, you can go to Step Finance and it will show you, something similar that you can do. You can close the accounts here, or you can close the accounts here as well. So in terms of like whether or not you should use Step Finance or Sol Incinerator, I think when it comes to NFTs, it's going to be cheaper burning them all here on Sol Incinerator. They charge a very, very small fee for doing so. But if you wanted to clean up your token accounts, I think it's probably cheaper doing it on Step Finance. Like I tried to work out the fee, and I think you pay less if you want to close the accounts on Step Finance versus closing them on Sol Incinerator. So if you did manage to reclaim any significant amounts of Sol, if you're like a degen, let me know. And if you found this useful, let me know as well. If you have any other tips that you want to leave in the comments down below, please do. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.